Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. And today, we're diving headfirst into something that strut up, looks like it rolled out of a sci-fi movie and onto the highway. I'm talking about the 2026 GMC Savana Limo, double-decker. And yeah, this thing is absolutely wild. If you ever wondered what happens when a luxury limo, a party bus, and a full-on motorhome all decide to have a baby, this is it right here. Stick around because this ride is not just big, it's next level insane. And I'm gonna break down everything from the outside swagger to the highway muscle, plus what kind of cash you'd need to even get your hands on it. Alright, first impression. This beast doesn't roll up it, a rise. The exterior is straight up intimidating in the best way possible. We're talking a stretched GMC Savana platform lifted into a double-decker layout that makes regular RVs look like toy vans. The front end keeps that classic GMC rugged vibe, but it's been beefed up with a blackout grille, aggressive LED headlights, and a chrome-heavy stance that screams, "Yeah, I own the road now." The body is stretched longer than you'd expect, and the double-deck design gives it this stacked luxury yacht feel-built on wheels. The paint job options? Oh man, they didn't hold back. You can get everything from stealth matte black to glossy pearl white, or even custom neon accent wraps that make it look like it belongs in a Fast and Furious spin-off. Massive 24-inch wheels sit under widened arches, and the suspension is tuned to keep this giant surprisingly stable. Even though it's huge, it doesn't look clumsy, it looks powerful, like it knows exactly what it is. Now, let's slide into the interior. And this is where things go from nice to, are you kidding me, right now. The moment you step inside, you're hit with full luxury overload. The lower deck feels like a 5-star lounge on wheels. We're talking premium leather seating, ambient LED lighting running across the ceiling and floor, and a layout that feels more like a private jet cabin than a motorhome. There's a wraparound sofa setup, power reclining captain chairs, and smart glass panels that can tint on command. You've got multiple large OLED screens built into the walls for entertainment, plus a surround sound system that hits so hard it feels like a concert inside. The finishes are high-end everywhere you look, wood grain accents, brushed aluminum details, and soft touch materials that make everything feel expensive without even trying too hard. Move upstairs, and that's where the double-decker magic really shows off. The upper level is more like a VIP sky lounge. It's got panoramic windows all around, so you feel like you're floating above the road. This level is perfect for chilling, socializing, or just flexing on everyone outside. Stuck in traffic? Some setups even include gaming stations, minibar layouts, and rotating lounge seats that face different directions depending on your mood. Lighting up here is next level, too. You can switch between chill, warm tones or full nightclub mode with synced RGB effects. It's basically like having a rolling penthouse party wherever you go. No exaggeration. This thing is built for people who don't just travel, they arrive in style. Now let's talk performance, because yeah, something this big still has to move. And GMC didn't play around. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana double-decker is rumored to pack a heavily tuned V8 setup, pushing serious torque to handle the weight of this rolling mansion. You're not getting sports car speed here, but you are getting smooth, confident power that makes highway cruising feel effortless. The transmission is tuned for comfort, not racing, so shifts are buttery smooth. It glides more than it drives, honestly. And the suspension system is adaptive, meaning it adjusts in real time depending on road conditions. So even though you're basically driving a 2-story building, it stays planted and controlled. Steering is surprisingly light for something this size, which helps a lot in urban driving or tight turns. But let's keep it real, you're not buying this to weave through city traffic. This is a long-distance luxury cruiser, a road trip king, a mobile mansion that eats highways for breakfast. Fuel economy. Yeah, don't even ask, in a budget-friendly way. This thing is thirsty, no doubt. But if you're shopping in this category, you're not counting gallons, you're counting experiences. Now let's talk price. And this is where things get serious. The 2026 GMC Savana Limo double-decker sits in the ultra-luxury custom range, starting somewhere around the high six figures and is climbing into the $1 million zone depending on customization. Fully loaded builds with top-tier interiors, entertainment upgrades, and exterior customization can push it even higher. Yeah, it's not cheap. But again, this isn't a practical purchase kind of vehicle. This is a statement piece. This is pull up and shut the whole block down energy. At the end of the day, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo double-decker is not trying to be normal in any way, shape or form. It's bold, it's oversized, it's flashy, and it's built for people who want their vehicle to feel like an experience, not just transportation. Whether you're using it for luxury travel, events, or just living that over-top lifestyle, this thing delivers pure presence every single time it hits the road. And that's it for today's breakdown on ST Reviews Hub. If you're into wild luxury rides like this, you already know what to do. Stay tuned, because we've got more insane builds coming your way soon. Until next time, keep it real, keep it bold, and I'll catch you in the next one.